Idea number 2, exploit a niche. Create a niche. You've heard the expression, a jack of all trades and the master of none. Most therapists are actually the jack of all trades and the master of none. I see business cards or other advertisements for therapists all the time that say, Richard Nongard, individual, group, families, depression, anxiety, substance abuse, legal issues, and on and on and on, and the list is infinite. The reality is that when you market yourself with a niche, it makes you an expert. And when you're an expert, you get paid more. People say to me, what's the easiest way to double your income? And my answer is to take all that other stuff off of your business card and website and create and exploit a very specific niche. Now, it's counterintuitive that niching creates more referrals, but it does. I've met many individuals, myself included, who have marketed one particular niche at a particular time, but their successful, happy clients refer them of a wide variety of other clients, and so people have the opportunity to do more than just that in which they are promoting themselves. Now here's a question for you. Would you like expert advice on creating a niche? In the Successful Therapist Network, I actually provide members with a transcript of a teleseminar that can teach you exactly how to achieve what other therapists have achieved. One of my friends in the Austin area, he opened up Austin's Quit Smoking headquarters. That's what he promotes, and that's the niche that he offers. And he found tremendous success by being the expert, the go-to guy for nicotine addiction. And niching is an opportunity to become the master of a trade, become the expert, and get paid more for your expertise.